Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, I'm going to solve another problem from BFE.dev. It's convert color from Hexa decimal to Rgba. Let's take a look. Okay, suppose we write some CSS code. We need to set the colors. We could choose the Hexa notation or use functional notation Rgba. Yeah, for colors without opacity, I usually use this one because it's simpler. And if there's an opacity, you usually use the Rgba because it's easier to understand, right? If I use hex colors, I need to calculate like the last digits for the alpha channel. Okay, but either is okay. Can you write a function to convert hex notation to functional notation? This is the hex notation. This is the function notation. Yeah. Alpha channel should have maximum 2 digits after the decimal point. Round it up if needed. And don't forget to do input validation. Okay, let's begin. The first thing we need to understand is that there are several forms of the hex colors, right? The first one is this one, without the alpha channel with 3 digits, and with the alpha channel. And another one is 6-digit color without alpha channel, and or the 6-digit with extra 2 digits for the alpha channel. This is 3, this is 4, this is 6, and this is 8. So actually all these 3, 4, or 6 are the abbreviation for the full form, right? With this 8-digit form. So the first thing we need to do is validate, and then normalize the input into 8 digits, and extract transform to numbers, and composite pose the result. Okay, the first step, validate. While the input might be any string, so we could use a regular expression to do this. And yeah, if okay, I would say use a regular expression. Reg valid hex color would be okay. Start with the hash and end with a digit. It should be 0 to 9. It might be it might be capital letters, so A to Z. Oh, eighth, A to F. Okay. Okay, I could extend this regular expression to handle the length, but I don't want to do. Wait a minute. I don't want to do that. It's I just to check the length. Okay. I will check the length. Okay, if 3, 4, 6, 8 includes hex.length. If not, I just return. If it is invalid, I will just throw an error. I don't know. Throw new error. Input is invalid. And then I will group all the data here. I would extract the digits or not. Yeah, I'll just slice it. It's okay. Okay, so this is it, and this would be. Oh, I need to plus. Yeah. Okay, so this is the okay, and then if reg valid hexa it's not valid, I will throw. Oh, I could move the line here actually, or the length does not match our criteria, or it does not match the regular expression. Yeah. Maybe I will. At the end, we would calculate the. Oh, I don't need that. Okay. Yeah, and then we get the. We would normalize the digits to 8, right? If it is 3, we would repeat it. If it is 3 or 4, we would just repeat it. How would we do that? This is interesting. How would we repeat it? How would we repeat it? How would we repeat it elegantly? Okay. Anyway, I'll create another function called the normalized would be normalize the hex, and then in the re-interview, you could just talk to the interviewer, say I will create this handle this function later, and just carry on with the current main function, right? Okay, this is a nice trick. Normalize, this is a string, we would return a string. Okay, we need it normalized, and then we would do the rest. But here in this video, I would just create this function right now. Now, I would say the digits would be hex. We first set to lowercase, and then we slice as 1. So we remove the hash, right? And then if we move the logic to a separate function, we could just return the result with a lot of ifs. But if we put it here, it's gonna we need to use the I would say use the anonymous function, right? Okay, so moving separately would be a better approach. If digits length is 3, and then we would how would we repeat? This is how would we repeat it elegantly? Yeah, it's not elegant actually. I don't see a way of doing it elegantly. Any? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I found one. Oh, digits. Map. Oh, okay. I'll first transform the digits to array, and then I will map it for each item, each digit, and item is a string, so we could use repeat, right? Repeat twice. Repeat twice, and then map it, and then join. Yeah. Kind of elegant. I don't know. And we would plus the FF, right? If digits length equals 4, we just map it without the final or the last FF. And the last sixth one, if digits length is 6, we just need to add the FF, right? Digits plus FF. And then last one is 8. It's full form, so we just return the digits. Yeah, we normalize, and then And then we would just we would get each part, I would say. Okay, we get the each part would be use a regular expression here. Rex I would say this is the part. Color part would be with red, which is 2 digits. Now it's normalized. We could use the dot notation. This is 2. Dot is 2. Dot 2. Dot 2. Yeah. Great. Now we match it. Match. We could just move the logic actually here to here. Normalize. Yeah, I'll just keep it here. Okay. Match would be the hex normalized. Match red color parts. It should match. So this match actually gives us null. It's impossible. We already validated it, so it's not null. And then we would do what? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We would this is the color, and the last one is okay. Const okay, Rgba. Okay, I'll just say Rgba. GB would be match. This is 1, 2, 3, right? Slice. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slice 1, 4. And map each part. It's a string. We need to transform it into an integer. We could just use the return parse int. This is the part with 16, right? It's because it's hex. Okay, this could be more concise with this. And then constant A would be the okay, we could just use A. We transform into this should be 5. Okay, and then we would get the final result, right? Return Rgba. This is R. This is G, and this is B, and A. A would be something different. A here we transform into an integer, so it would be 255 here. We need to change it into maximum digital decimal point. Maximum. Okay, A. divide by 2 and 255. Maximum 2 digits. Round up if needed. So maximum to precision to fix. I don't remember the function. Shit. Oh. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 B 2 what? 2 precision? 4 1 2 3 2 precision 4. Precision is not a function. Oh shit. So there is actually a 0, so it's to fixed. No, it's not fixed. Okay, there's a problem here. We actually need a separate way of doing this, I would say. Okay, I will create another function called a roundup, I would say. Roundup. This is a number. I will return a string. Here I would round up this. Finally, we return this parenthesis, and it's done. Now the only thing is to do the roundup. Here is to max 2 digits for the fraction. So the 0 should be truncated, right? 0 should be suppressed. How should we do this? Okay, so maximum 2 digits. The last one might be rounded up, so we only need to get. Oh, the fixed actually is already rounded up, right? Let's take a look. 1 2 3 4 6 2 fixed. If 1, it'd be 5. So yeah, it's rounded up. Okay, we just run it up. Results. Result would be num to fixed 2 digits. Okay, but the fixed 2 digits might be extra zeros. We would just return the results, replace the zeros at the end, right? So we could use regular expression here. The end would be 0 0. Okay, 0 or dot, I would say. Because if it's dot 0, the dot should be gone too. And this could be any, right? Replace plus. So plus is okay. Replace this to empty. Yeah, so this is it, I would say. Let's take a look. Console log. FFF. Oh, great. And if it is F, input is invalid. What? Input is invalid? Really? Ah, I am so sorry. It's actually 5, 7, and 9. Okay. If it is 0, it should 0. Oh. If it is 0, it's become empty. Oh, okay. If this is empty, it should be 0, I would say. What's this become? Huh? Round up. What's the result? 0.00 and replace it to empty. So what we get? Okay, move it here. Oh, it's not optional cleansing. I'm sorry. It should be or, because it's empty string. It's not undefined or null. Yeah, this is better. Wow, this is tricky. If it is 1, max 2 digit, and it's run it up. Great. I think it should be fine. Okay, FF, AA. Huh? Looks good. Come on. Yes. Nice. This is pretty interesting. Okay. I'll post it into the discuss panel. Hope it helps. Okay, this problem is a little mind twisted for the regular expression, I would say. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.